there, spooky community? How's it going? This is AJ AAA Reacts. How's it going? Hope your night, day, or whatever, what time it is you're seeing this video is going. So, I see that she is talking to birds now. If you don't know what I'm talking about, the Conjuring lady, if you've been watching on YouTube lately, she's been woo and stuff. But the other news is I saw in another video that she is selling, whoever it is that's in control of her financing and all that, put it up for sale for a lot of money. So hopefully the community, the paranormal community and all that, comes together and take it away from her. But now, before all this happened, if you don't know what I'm talking about, the lady that owns, the new lady that owns the Conjuring house, said that the ghost of the original place was telling her that her employees was stealing, was other stuff, and so on. Lady, you need help. Now, before the whole went up for sale, she's talking to birds. I mean, I talk to birds once in a while just to feed them outside, just for the hell of it. But is she talking to ghost birds? What's your thoughts in the comments? Don't forget to like, comment, share your thoughts about this whole debacle drama with the Conjuring house. Hope your night, day, whatever what time it is going good. Keep on being spooky and subscribe for more content like this. Jason, you're still badass. Still cool dude. Later, people.